Hello everyone. In this video, I will solve question number 8 to 11. 4 questions are remaining of exercise 2.2 of class 7th. It is on page number 26. These questions are related to the fractions. Sometimes fractions may be given in the form of proper fractions or improper fractions or mixed fractions. Then we have to use the basic arithmetic operations like एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवीजन. इसके अलावा इस एक्सरसाइज में कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके, फ्रैक्शंस को हमें ऐड करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करना है. सो व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8? इट इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड इज 15 and 2/3 meter long and 12 and 4.5 meter wide. Find its perimeter. So you must know what is the formula of a perimeter. So we write perimeter. P for perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Simply 2. Okay, this is, we will write L plus B in the bracket. So L is 15 and 2/3 meter and 12 and 4.5, 12 and 4.5 meter wide. So check the values, 15 2/3 and 12 4.5. Okay students, now we have to solve this much only. इतना ही solve करना आपको बिल्कुल easily इसका आंसर मिल जाएगा. So 2. Now convert this into improper fraction. 15 3 जा 45 plus 2 47/3 meter plus 12 5 is 60 plus 4 64/5 meter. Then you can see that we can take LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay, so it is 15. Now in the table of 3, 15 comes 5 times. 5 multiply 47 by 5. Okay, so it is 235 5. Okay, and in the table of 5 this comes 3 times, so multiply 64 by 3. It is 192 meter. Okay, now it's 2 into, find the sum of these. So it is 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 3 12 and it is 4. Okay, okay, what about this value? So you can divide. Okay, you have to perform division here. Now multiply this by 2 as it is 854/15 meter. If you finish here, this is also a right answer, or you can convert this into a mixed fraction. So I am going to divide. Okay, divide by 15. So it is 15 5 ja 75 and the remaining, there is 10 remaining, copy 4. Now try to divide by 15. So if you remember the tables, it will be easier. Okay, so try with the table. Okay, 15 8 ja 120 and 15 7 ja 105. So it will be 15 6 ja. Okay, 15 6 ja 90. So what is the remainder? It is 14. So the answer will be 56 and 14/15 meter. And this is question number 8 of exercise 2.2. So let's check the answer. 2.2 question number 8, 56 and 14/15. So this is the right answer, and erase this rough work. Whenever you perform some division or multiplication, always do in rough notebook, then write the answer in fair copy. So students, this is the answer. Okay, next question is ninth question. So ninth question is, the sum of two numbers is 7. If one of them is 11 upon 7, find the other. Okay, it is the easy question, very easy. So other number is, दो नंबर्स का जो सम है वो 7 है. अगर आप एक नंबर को जानते हैं तो सिंपली आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है. तो इसमें से आप 11 अपॉन 7 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है एंड इट इज 7 7 जा 49 and 49 minus 11 is 38 upon 7. Again find the perform the division. So 7 5 ja 35, as the remainder is 3, so it is 5 and 3 upon 7. 5 and 3 upon 7. So the answer of question number 9, it is 2.2, 5 and 3 upon 7. So this is the correct answer. Okay, you can match with the book also. So note it down. It's very simple. Okay. Question number 10. 10th question is, a piece of wire is of length 8 and 1/4 meter. It is cut into two pieces. Means एक वायर है, उसको हमने कट किया है, मीन्स दो पीस में डिवाइड किया है. So length of one piece is 4 and 3/5 meter. What is the length of other piece? Again it is subtraction. Length of other piece is, so write the total length 8 and 1/4 meter minus 4 and 3/5 meter. Simply perform the subtraction by converting these mixed fractions into improper. So I hope you also can do it. This is 33/4 meter minus 23/5 meter. Okay, take the LCM. It will be 20. 4 5 ja 20, multiply 33 by 5. Okay, 165 meter minus, it is 5 4 ja 20, 4 times, so multiply 23 by 4. Okay, it is 92 meter. Okay, now perform the subtraction. So it is 8 and 65, 73 meter upon 20. Okay, now perform the division. So here I am going to tell you, because this is an improper fraction. So it is 20 3 ja 60. Okay, the remainder is 13. So the answer will be 3 and 13/20 meter. Erase this rough work. So the answer of question number 10, we should check the answer also. 3 and 13/20 meter. So okay students, pause the video and note it down. Now I am going to solve last question, that is question number 11. So all the questions are very easy. 11th question, the sides of a triangle. Okay, it is about triangle. So I draw the diagram. Sides, so it is 7/2 centimeter, then 11/4 centimeter, and this is 16/5 centimeter, and it's all about finding the perimeter. So as you know, the perimeter is sum of all sides, sum of the length of all sides. So you have to add this and this together. Here I solve. So perimeter is 7/2 centimeter plus 11/4 centimeter and plus 6/5 centimeter. Now they are already in the form of improper fraction. So take the LCM. think the biggest number and consider the table. So 5 2 जा 10, 5 4 जा 20, because 20 वो नंबर है जो इसकी टेबल में आता है और 2 और 4 की टेबल में भी मिलता है. So it is 2 10 जा 20 and 10 7 जा 70, 4 5 जा 20 and it is 11 5 जा 55. Then it is 5 4 जा 20, multiply 4 by 16, 64 centimeter. Now find the sum of these. So it is 9 and it is 1. So total value is 189. Just check it again. 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 5 11 and plus 18. Okay. Again try to divide. So if you perform the division, okay, now don't try to divide 18 by 20 because it is smaller. So divide 189. As you know that 29 ja 180, the remainder is 9. So the answer will be 9 and 9 upon 20. So just check it. 9 and 9 upon 20 centimeter. So it is 9 upon 9 and 9 upon 20 centimeter, and erase this rough work. So students, finally we have solved exercise 2.2. It is finished. Today we have solved question number 8 to 11 and these were very simple. Not simple, these were simplest. इनसे इजी कुछ नहीं हो सकता इस एक्सरसाइज में. So be sincere, do your study regularly, stay at home and stay healthy. Best of luck.